Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. By the way, if you have questions, call the store. I know everybody wants to send me a message through my YouTube channel. We got 3,300 videos. You can imagine how many messages I'm getting that I just can't get to answer. If you really have a question, ask me, call the store. That being said, come on over here. We got something we've done before, but we haven't done before. What do you mean by that? Well, we got two things here. We got the Backflip MX4 fully hardcover with a deck system with a new 2024 Chevy Silverado. Now the MX4, you've probably seen a few videos, but I'll go ahead and do it. It has a 400-pound capacity, 5-year manufacturer warranty. Of course, if we install it, it becomes 10 years. And also, let's take a look here how it works. So there we go. Now it does have a passenger side and driver's side release mechanism. So wherever you're standing on that side or this side, right or left, you can open the cover. Why is that important? Well, let's say you pull off to the side of the road and you want to open your cover and you got a lot of traffic on this side. You might want to swing around the other side to open it. So that is a nice feature. If you look here, it does have a triple seal here, and that keeps the water out a little better. So let's go ahead and fly through this because we have two things to talk about. Now you can drive with it partially open. Basically, you got this little guy here. You secure it, okay, and that holds that right there. So, okay. And of course, this does fold all the way up. You can drive that way as well. You do have a nice little locking mechanism. This goes like this. So that is your cover. So let's go here and take a look on the deck system. Now this is the newest one. Now the newer one is going to give you more room inside the drawers. Basically, you got 10% more room in the drawers. Comes out a little further, comes out 12 inches further. So let's take a look here. Now they did change the little deck boxes a little bit in here, so you got your little handle, you got like this. So also you can kind of pull it. Let me go put the handle down, and this opens up like this. You can see the interior of these here. They're a great size, they look terrific. So again, locks in here, so let's go over here. Again, you got a smaller one, this comes on out again, go right here. And of course, let's go and put this down here. Oops, let's put that out back there. That locks in there. There we go, I have to pull the handle. I'm a little tired today, so there you go. You can open it up. You got this little storage here as well. Now, this customer did order the locks for this, so you do have locking mechanisms on here. So even though you do have a cover on it, let's say the cover is open, you can still secure these. Now, if you come around here, John, with the camera, I know before they had the ammo bins here. Now they changed the name to what is a stash? I forgot what.
Stash box.
Stash box, thank you. So basically, this is it here. These come in here. You can put all kinds of stuff in here. And basically, this goes in here, and you kind of just push it down and lock it in place there. So also, if you notice here, we got the little deck mat on top of this, which goes right on top of the deck system. Now, a lot of people do ask, how much weight does the deck system take? You can put up to 2,000 pounds, which is basically what the bed can do it itself. The drawers are 200 pounds. So 200 pounds, the top is 2,000 pounds. The cover is 400 pounds. Either all that lets you know this thing is built really strong, so you can walk on here, no problem. Also, if you look here, you got this nice little deck thing here with all the measurements and stuff, and that's convenient to have. But I do notice when they redesigned this, they took the bottle opener off. I guess they didn't want you drinking on the job. I don't know what it was, but I thought that was a nice feature, but it's not there anymore. So I liked it, but what the hell. Again, if you buy from us, we can install it for you, and we do double the warranty on the covers, and all the stuff we did for you has a 1-year labor guarantee on here. So we got that all covered for you. So let's go ahead and close this back up here. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. And of course, if I want to lock these, I just turn the keys here. Of course, I would take them out, but for the video, I'm showing it to you. I think this is a great look. I'm gonna close it all up again. The nice thing is you got lots of stuff you can store in here, and you don't have to worry about anyone messing with it. Oh, by the way, this does have a drainage system. If you look at little tubes here, so if it was to get past the seal, it won't go in the bed, it catches it there. Speaking of water, another thing is waterproof. It's a weather resistant setup. So you probably won't see a lot of water, if any, but I cannot tell you it's waterproof because that would be a lie. We don't want to do that. Again, I love this setup. I mean, it's easy to use. It works good. It looks good. All in all, you can't go wrong with the deck system. We've been doing deck for a long time. Very reliable, very well-built product. And it's both these, by the way, are made in USA. I do like American-made products because they're just made better, you know. I'm sorry, China, don't take it personal, but America makes better stuff here. So again, if you like this stuff, we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here in the store and we could put it on for you. And again, we put the 1 year labor on everything we do. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Backflip MX4, the deck system, of course, the newest deck system. And we also sold the locks, and we sold the nice little deck cover here. So this is one of the nicer ones. Again, it is the newest version of the deck system. And before I forget, like and subscribe. Really helps us out, and we really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much.